say it like a prayer. I was the only one who loved him true, while the rest of them stood there. He was my king, my everything, and your father, your precious Simba. Let him burn in the fire and the betrayal. Now I crawl through the dust, and I remember. Does no one grieve like I grieve for my king, exiled and starved for the truth that they won't bring? The hate in me is all I've got left. There's no circle of light, only the dead. I have not forgotten, no, I never will, my dear. A lioness with nothing left is nothing left to fear. Simba's gonna pay for that murdering day, for the king he took away. Storm's coming, can you smell the rain? That precious little kingdom's gonna burn again, and your pride is gonna fall down like gravity, like gravity. A life for you owe me a throne. Sharpen the claws, I want blood of your own. The reckoning's here and you best believe in tragedy, like gravity.
You took my home, I took the wasteland. You raised your club, I raised my vengeance. My cobra's teeth won't miss, no never.
You'll remember scar forever. You think you've won? You think it's done? Oh, wait until you see what I've grown. I took the cub and I carved him from sorrow, raised him on the name of Scar. He'll smile so sweet as he tears out your future, wearing that mane, the shadow you fear. My beautiful weapon, my masterpiece of hate. So look at me, Simba, go on, feel afraid, and learn what a mother's devotion can make. Storm's coming, can you smell the rain? That precious little kingdom's gonna burn again, and your pride is gonna fall down like gravity, like gravity. A life, oh, you owe me a throne. Sharpen the claws on the blood of your own. The reckoning's here and you best believe in tragedy, like gravity. I raised him to be my blade, but the traitor went soft on me. Looked at your daughter and threw it away. So fine, let's see her finish it her way. You should've followed me. He was my son, he belonged to me. But love made him weak and that's on you. So Simba, this is what I'll do. Storm's coming, can you smell the rain? That precious little kingdom's gonna burn again, and your pride is gonna fall down like gravity, like gravity. A life, for you owe me a throne. Sharpen the claws, I want blood of your own. The reckoning's here and you best believe in tragedy, like gravity,
Like gravity, like gravity.
he fell for you.
Like gravity.
Scar, my love, this is your legacy. Good night.